Well, we are in town. We just came to town. We're in his dad's truck because Tyler's got his truck because Tyler's truck's broke. So we are at this building fixing to rent a piece of equipment for a project that we'll be doing tomorrow. That we're doing because Tyler's truck is broke. So we thought that we would share what is going on.
Yep, so here we go.
Good morning, everyone. As you saw, we have a little exciting project going on. So we're going to go out here and show you the beginning of it. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film because I have got to go to the dentist this morning. So let's go see what's going on. So, what are you working on?
Well, today we're going to pour some concrete out here in the barn. We're moving our shop to the barn, so we're just fixing to get started, I guess.
If everybody's been following us, they know that he did an extension of the barn to move his shop out here.
Yeah, Tyler's truck, but I didn't want to do it in the dirt, so the only way to fix that is pour concrete where we have somewhere to do it at. So this needs to be done anyway, so we're going to pour the concrete and wait a few days and then we're going to start it.
And we got some help. So it's going to be, what size is it?
It's 15 by 30.
15 by 30.
The barn is 30 by 45.
Yeah.
Took a 15 by 30 section of it to make a shop out of it.
We got his brother Jeff and his friend Jason out here to help.
And the cat.
And of course Shadow, y'all don't look at all our junk. So, he's already got plastic in the wire and rebar down and framed out. We're just waiting on a concrete truck to get here. What's this thing right here called?
It's actually a landscape rake.
He bought it. Jeff brought some tools and then we rented this thing because they're going to do it themselves to save some money.
This is a power trowel, or some people call it a whirly bird, but it does the final finish on the concrete.
Yeah.
So that you have a good slick finish. We've been working. We finally got it put down, and now we're just in the hurry up and wait portion of it. You gotta let it dry so much before you can really get in there and put a good finish on it. But so far, so good. My brother and Jason helped me put it down, and it looks really good. So we'll update you when we get to doing something else, I guess. Alright. Almost didn't get it on recording, but there's carbon 2020 in it, but as I hate to put that on it. And there it is, there's the finished product. It's been a long day and it's hot and I'm tired. I'm about ready to put it up for the day. So anyways, here's Sir to tell y'all about it.
It's done.
Well, here it is. It's a different day and it's all dry, and just thought I'd take a minute and let you see how it turned out. Here's my shop. You see, I've already been working in it. I had Tyler's truck in here doing a little work on it, and I got a little oil on the floor, but all in all, you know, for a do-it-yourself job at home, me and my brother and a friend of ours, turned out really well. I mean, it's not 100% perfect, but you know, it's not many concrete jobs that I've ever seen that is absolutely perfect. My last shop I had done by a professional, and it's no better than this one. So I'm really happy with it. So it's gonna be a good place for me to tinker and do all the things I need to do, and you know, a man cave, if you will, I guess. All men need a shop. I got a lot more work I got to get done on it. I'm gonna do inside walls on it, maybe some pegboard. Sarah's got some good ideas on some things for me, a way for me to hang things. You know, because it's so tall, I can go up higher. You know, things I don't use a whole lot, or you know, just things I'm trying to hang on to. But ooh. Anyways, I'm trying to break that habit of hanging on to too much, because you know, before you know it, you hang on to this. Next thing you know, you got a whole pile of stuff. So you might use it one day, you might not. You know, and a lot of the stuff that I hang on to, I do go back and use, but some things I hang on to for years and never use them. So as I make the transition from my old shop to my new shop, I'm gonna declutter. I'm gonna get rid of some stuff, and hopefully this will be a whole lot easier to keep this shop clean than it was my other one. My kids, my wife, they all pick on me about how dirty I keep my shop, but it is what it is. You know, you work all day, you come home, you do things in the shop, you're wore out, you go in, you don't clean up, and it can get away from you. And believe me, it can get away from you. I've had my wife and kids help me clean my old shop 2 or 3 times, and I think the last time my wife helped me, she said if I didn't keep it good and clean, she wouldn't help me no more, and she meant that. So she never did help me clean it back up. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you have time, check out some of our other videos. We got a lot of good content on our channel. Might be something you're interested in. If not, you know, just let us know for something in particular that you're looking for. Maybe we do that here. Maybe we can do some video on it and share that with you. So, all right, thank y'all for coming to Overlook Valley Homestead, and God bless you.